Hi, welcome back to Aqua Platycodon, where more useless knowledge gets unlocked. Today, let's talk about DeepSeek, China's latest AI model that some claim can replace OpenAI's GPT-4. But is it really better? Or is it just a more efficient way of doing the same thing? Let's break it down with a simple analogy. Imagine a child has a cough. There are two ways to handle it. Go to the hospital and see a doctor. It's expensive, takes time, but ensures a thorough checkup. The doctor can diagnose both common and rare illnesses, making it the safest choice. Mom buys over-the-counter medicine based on experience. It's cheaper, faster, and works for most common colds. But in rare cases, if the illness is more serious, relying on experience alone might lead to missed diagnoses and bigger problems. Now let's apply this to AI. OpenAI GPT-4 is like going to the doctor. It's powerful, trained on vast resources, and optimized for high accuracy across various tasks. But it requires a huge amount of computing power and isn't cheap to use. DeepSeek is like a smart, cost-saving approach. It uses a method called the Mixture of Experts (MOE) model, which activates only the necessary parts of the AI, saving money and energy while still delivering solid results for most cases. It's also open source, making it accessible for developers worldwide. So why is DeepSeek getting so much hype? The internet has exploded with excitement, with some people claiming that it will completely replace OpenAI's models, or that it marks a major shift in global AI competition. It's understandable. New technology is always exciting, especially when it comes with promises of efficiency, affordability, and open-source freedom. AI enthusiasts are thrilled, and national pride plays a role too. But let's take a step back. It's important to recognize that DeepSeek is not a better AI. It's an alternative approach that trades some power for efficiency. It's great for developers who want more affordable AI tools, but OpenAI's models still lead in raw capability, especially in handling highly complex tasks that require deep reasoning and nuanced understanding. That's not to downplay DeepSeek's importance. It's a fantastic step forward for AI research, proving that you don't need massive amounts of compute power to create a useful, high-performing model. But let's be realistic. AI development is a marathon, not a sprint. Open-source projects like DeepSeek will help democratize AI, while larger proprietary models will continue pushing the limits of what's possible. Instead of seeing it as an all-or-nothing battle, maybe we should just appreciate both approaches for what they bring to the table. So, is DeepSeek better than GPT-4? It depends on what you need. If you're looking for cost-effective AI that gets the job done for most cases, DeepSeek is great. But if you want top-tier AI performance with the highest precision, OpenAI still leads the race. What do you think? Have you tried DeepSeek yet? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching Aqua Platycodon, where more useless knowledge gets unlocked. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.